Hey everyone, today we're covering up latest lineup of Thermaltake AIO liquid coolers, starting from sleek and budget-friendly models all the way up to premium flagship models with customizable displays. Let's flow through them lowest to highest price and let's check out what makes each one stand out. Starting with the TH240 ARGB Sync Edition, priced at 6,200. This cooler ships with two powerful 120mm high static pressure ARGB fans and a high performance radiator. It includes RGB illumination with preset modes or motherboard sync support, and the copper base plate and quality pump ensure efficient heat dissipation with maintenance-free operation. This TH240 also comes in black and snow white editions. Next up, LA360S ARGB Sync Cooler, priced at 7,320, featuring a bold gaming style RGB water block and three high-performance 120mm ARGB fans that spin up to 2,500 RPM. A daisy chain design simplifies cabling, and the integrated 2.4-inch segment LCD displays real-time system data. Next comes TOUGHLIQUID 360 ARGB TRX40. This is priced at 13,450, and this one is specially engineered for AMD Threadripper class CPUs. The TOUGHLIQUID TRX40 uses an extended copper base for 100% CPU coverage, includes a rotatable upper cap on the water block for flexible logo orientation, a built-in lightning controller for easy effects control, and it fits through ToughFan 12 turbofans. The pump is integrated into radiator to reduce audible vibration and improve pump longevity. This is needed for high-core, high-TDP workstation setups. Stepping into Ultra series territory, the TH360 V2 ARGB Ultra, priced at 13,600. This AIO brings a 2.1-inch 480x480 pixel LCD on the industrial style cap, ideal for showcasing custom images or system metrics. 3 CT120 ARGB fans, copper-based slim radiators, and a daisy chain design keep the build clean and performance strong. Next comes for the top tier, the Thermaltake MagFloe 360 Ultra. Black edition priced at 18,200, where white edition priced at 18,700. This AIO takes things further with a large 3.95 inches square LED for vivid custom visuals, and uses SWA-fan EX fans with magnetic MagForce 2.0 quick connection system and swappable fan blades. This model combines stunning visuals, seamless cable management, and elite airflow performance. So there you have it, from compact and stylish TH240, advancing through the display-equipped LA360S, the customizable Ultra V2 models, the performance-oriented TOUGHLIQUID, and finally, the flagship MagFloe lineup. Whether you are on a budget or building a show-stopping premium rig, Thermaltake has a AIO cooler tailored for your cool and style needs. All these models are available in our Vishal Peripherals and Vishal Computech, any of our stores. If you prefer online, visit vishalperipherals.com and place your order. And hey, don't forget to subscribe. This is Sanz. See you in the next one.